Hello, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to delete Google activity history on your phone. So if you want to do that on your Android, the first step you have to take is to open your Google app. The next is for you to click on the three dots found at the top right corner of your screen. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the settings icon here. You're going to see privacy and security. You just have to click on it. Now you're going to see delete browser data. Just click on it. So from here, you're going to see your browsing history. You're going to see the cookies and site data. You're going to see the cached image and files, the tabs, the saved password, the site settings, and so on. If you want to delete based on the last hour, you can do that. If you want to delete based on 15 minutes ago, 24 hours ago, 7 days ago, 4 weeks ago, or all time, you can do it from the section. But if you want to delete all the data from this particular feature, you just click on the delete data option, confirm you want to delete, and it will automatically be deleted from your Google app. So guys, that is it on how to delete activity history in your Google. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.